Hey, Brian here, coming at you from the shop. I want to talk with you a little bit about a problem we had with the 2017 Camaro SS 1LE track edition with the V8. I want to tell you what was happening and how I fixed it. There are a couple excellent videos out on the internet, which this is derived from. So first of all, we had a clunking in the front end of the car. It was some sort of clunking noise. We autocrossed the car heavily. There was a video, like I said, I found on the net, which directed me to, after double checking all the top hits on the struts and all of that, we were directed to the sway bar end links. And this is the sway bar end link right here, the lower on the passenger side, and there's the upper up here, as you can see. To fix this, you'll need 4 tools. The first tool you'll need is a 2-post lift. We have our BendPak 2-post lift so that you get axle droop and there's no interference issues with the 4-post, which I have as well. You then want to use a 7/32 Allen wrench, put it in the end here, and then you will also need a crow's foot, an 18mm crow's foot, and a torque wrench. So you'll put the crow's foot on this bolt like this, and then you will put the Allen wrench in the end here, and you will then torque these to 96 foot-pounds of torque. So that's what you need to do. And when you have this extension piece on here, your torque wrench will fit right on the end, and you'll be able to easily do that on your 2-post lift. So you're going to want to torque that to 96 lower, 96 upper. You can get to the upper by turning the wheel the other way. Don't even have to take the wheel off the car. Just spin it out the other way and get to the upper, which is up here. Don't have a lot of parts to remove. You can move these out of the way if you want to, but with your 18mm crow's foot and your 7/32 Allen key, you'll be able to get to the back side of that top bolt and torque those down. I will be swapping these out, the washers out for some ribbed washers. I believe the part number on that is in a previous video. And then I'm also going to be using some red Loctite as well. But for now, successful autocross this weekend at Bristol Motor Speedway with no clunking, no noise at all. The car ran great. So give that a try, and hopefully that helps you out on your 6th gen Camaro autocrossers who have a clunking in the front end. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.